I'm just taking video.
A video?
Yep.
Don't say anything Welcome to Leshton.
Yeah. What's that?
Welcome to Leshton.
Yeah.
You are almost at the top of the world.
What's that?
Making the video?
Making a film.
Not what I meant to do.
Was there something in there?
Yeah, but I didn't mean to open it.
I understand English.
Oh.
Jeez.
Like, I was just like leaning on it trying to get up.
I think that I can hear him laughing.
Yeah, because I almost fell through the door over there.
Crazy. Like Tennessee.
That's the strangest looking front on a camera.
Yeah, it's flat.
How weird. It's like no lens. It's like it's backward. That's what it looks like. From here it looks like the lens is on the other side of this camera. That's so funny. Wow.